we're gonna start our adventure today. This is the very first day here in Hong Kong. I'm planning to go to Victoria's Peak, Victoria Harbor, and do some shoppings. Check out some Hello Kitty store. We got a special order for somebody, and we're just gonna go with the flow. So this is my very first time in here, and I don't know anybody in here in this town. So let's see what happens. So it turns out to be, if you put a Sanrio or Hello Kitty store on your Google map, it doesn't show. So I figure out another way. I asked ChatGPT, so that store is actually located in IFC Mall, which is 17 minutes of walk from here. So let's go do that. Alright, my first impressions. This is kind of chaotic. Like, I don't know. It kind of reminds me of Bangkok a little bit. I mean, tight streets, a lot of people, a lot of traffic, and a lot of one-way streets. So by the way, let me guys tell you about this trip. So I'm gonna be only 3 nights in Bangkok. I mean 3 nights in Hong Kong. I already went. Hold on 1 second. This place is chaotic. Okay, so 3 nights in Hong Kong and 1 week in Bangkok, which includes the Songkran time, of course. We can't miss that. Already got my ticket for S2O and Siam Songkran. So I'm gonna be attending those 2 festivals. I've already been there like twice. So if you haven't checked that out, you can check out these experiences on my channel as well. So yeah, after 1 week in Bangkok, we're gonna go to Vietnam for 2 weeks. That's gonna be new. I've already been in Thailand, like I said, twice, but I've never been in Vietnam. And in Vietnam, in that 2 weeks, we're gonna hit 4 different spots: Hanoi, Ha Long Bay, Ninh Bình, and Da Nang. So yeah, after that 2 weeks, we're gonna have about 10 hours of layover in Seoul. So let's see if I can manage to get out of the airport and check out the city for a couple hours. If not, we're gonna go back to Las Vegas. So yeah, that's the plan, but let's see how it goes. I was walking down here actually the last night. It was dead. Now it's like different animal. It looks so busy. Oh, here we go. You guys notice these cars? I don't know what brand it is. It looks pretty cool though. Guess what? It turns out super easy. So we're supposed to go this way, all the way down, and turn right. And it's supposed to go over there. See, if I try this by myself, I'll be circling around for hours and trying to find this place. And look how busy it is, guys. It's like ridiculous in here. Hello, how you guys doing? I'm looking for a Sanrio store for the Hello Kitty stuff. Do you know where that is?
Hello Kitty.
Yeah.
We don't have here, sorry.
Oh, really?
Yeah, we just have Pop Mart.
Oh,
Yeah.
really? Is it down this way?
Yeah, all the way.
Okay. All right, I'll check that one out. Thank you. Are you kidding me right now? ChatGPT, I'm gonna kill you. You make me walk all the way down here on the sun, and they don't have Hello Kitty store. Are you kidding me? Wait a minute. But the first lady said it's down this way. The second lady said we don't have Hello Kitty store. So I hope they do. Alright, the lady at the concierge sent me down here, which is a pop-up store right behind me. You see, they have all kinds of like Labubus and stuff, but they don't have Hello Kitty stuff. And I asked again to these guys if there's any Sanrio store in here, and they say no. So let me just talk to this ChatGPT, and I'll find out where this Sanrio store, and then we're gonna go there.
A few moments later.
Guys, this is chaotic. I already got rerouted 3 times in 10 minutes. Hopefully I'll make it to the store before it's too late. Oh my god, this is so chaotic. The streets are so narrow, they're so next to each other, and they're overpasses as well, so I don't know if I'm supposed to go down there on the main street or on the overpass. So, and this map is keep updating because of this high rises, so I don't know if this is the right way now. If not, we're just gonna, I guess, discover the city. As you can see, it's pretty chaotic in here. Alright guys, I got rerouted again, and I end up in this super tiny alley. It looks kind of cool though. Let me guys show you around. Oh, look at this kitty. Oh my god. I hope this is the right way this time. And as you can tell, since the streets are so narrow and so many high rises, GPS gets messed up and shows me on a place that I'm not there actually. It shows me the wrong place. So in the meantime, I'm sweating buckets. It's so much humid, and I'm not even out for an hour yet. By the way, now I understand why everybody's so skinny in here. Because of these high heels. Check this out guys. These heels are not a joke. Look, what is it, 45 degrees? Hopefully this is the last heel I have to take. Like I said, otherwise I'm gonna give up. Screw that. Check this out. Check out the chaos and the traffic. I mean, I'm already tired looking at this trip. I don't know if I really want to live here, or I would. I mean, it looks cool and everything, but maybe it's too much, huh? What do you guys think? Oh my god. Guys, see these stairs I'm taking down? I just went back. Now I gotta go down this. Google map is ridiculous. I was just right here. It was telling me to go up there, which I did. And when I went there, it changed my location. Are you kidding me? Okay. We're so close. We're so close. I think just around the corner right there, which is here, our store should be on the left. I hope so. Don't tell me it's closed or wrong or something. Otherwise I'm gonna freak out. And I need to shower. Right now it's 12:45 and I'm already sweating buckets. Oh god. Whew. All right, let's go. You guys seeing it? On the map, it's supposed to be right here, but it's not. So I just went up the stairs. It's not in there. So there's only one option, which is go down this way. So, and it's hopefully it's over there. But this is too much. All right, let's go down here. See if it's over there. If not, I don't know, man. This is ridiculous. That's the Google map. I don't know, man. I tell you, you were good, but Apparently not. And look at the stairs. I just went up all the way here, now I'm going down. Alright guys, I give up. Look around. You see this building right here? That's exactly where the Sanrio store is supposed to be. The street name is correct. It matches. The numbers matches. On the map, everything matches. I'm right on the dot, but it's not here. Either is somebody making a joke or something. Yeah, it's not here. So I find another one. It's about 20 minutes away, but I'm not walking no more. So I just order an Uber. Good morning or afternoon. Alright guys, I just dropped off here. I have no idea where I'm at. I'm still relying on this Google map. I think it's inside this mall. I don't see any signs in here, so I don't think it's outside. Yep, it's inside the mall, looks like it. Alright guys, I find the Sanrio store finally here in this mall. It's on the 7th level, which is children and babies good. And as soon as you came out of the elevator or escalator, it's going to be on the left right there, which is right here. And you can see I already got some stuff, but they don't have everything. So I'm gonna head out to the Wellington Street. That's the new one supposed to be, and it's a lot bigger. So, and it's only 10 minutes away from here, so I'm just gonna go over there and check it out. Alright guys, we're cooking. We took the train about like 10 minutes. It was so crowded. Now we're taking this exit. And I only asked Russia for one time, so I'm doing pretty good actually, honestly. So as soon as we get out of here, we have 4 minutes to walk to the store. Then we should be finding the central Sanrio store here in Hong Kong. Get that out of the way so we can go see some other stuff. Alright, we're 2 minutes away from the store, so as soon as we cross the street, I'm just gonna turn right. That's supposed to be the Wellington Street, and right around the corner is supposed to be the Sanrio Central store. Oh. Alright, let's go. And now I'm running out of battery on my phone as well, so I gotta find a store to get some charging cable, otherwise I'll be in big trouble. Guess what? We found it. Took us what, 3 hours? Alright, let's go check it out. Alright guys, it turns out they don't have the specialty ones either on this store. So I just walk around for nothing. I come here for nothing, but it's actually not for nothing. We're gonna try one of these noodle soups, like the Max noodle soup that's very famous in here. It's just like 3 minutes away. So we're just gonna walk 3 minutes down this way, right across from the Sanrio store, and try one of the best noodles here in Hong Kong. It's called Max Noodle. So write it on your list. Let's go check it out. Chaos continues here, and I think I have 1 more minute walk to this famous Max Noodle here in Hong Kong. I can't wait, I'm starving. And here goes the famous Max Noodle shop. Let's go check it out. Hello, how are you doing? Just one.
Hello.
Here?
Thanks.
Here? Okay with you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh. Okay, why not?
Okay.
All
Thank
right.
you. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. You know what?
Actually. That's
Just give me your suggestion on that one.
okay. A7 biscuit and wonton noodle together.
Okay.
Okay.
Sounds good. Thank you. Well, that was easy. All right, awesome. Thank you. That was quick. All right, check this out, guys. If you're around here, I highly recommend coming in here. Check this out. Once again, this is the Max Noodle, and I'm gonna put the exact location. And you're probably gonna be around here if you're visiting Hong Kong anyway. So I'm gonna put the exact location on the video in the corner somewhere. But now, let's just wander around, see what happens. My phone just died on me, and I don't know where I'm at. I was like, okay, I'm just gonna say it. I was just thrown out of the ferry. All right, everyone, I got some bad news.